Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn your phone into a webcam. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're an Android user, then if you have Android 14 Plus, you can use the built-in USB webcam feature. If you have a modern Android phone and a Windows PC, you don't need any third-party software. You can simply go to your settings, simply go down and tap on About Phone and check whether your Android phone is using which version of Android. As you can see, I'm using an Android version 15. That means that I can simply use the built-in webcam feature and I don't have to download any third-party app. Now, simply connect your phone to your device. Plug your Android phone into your computer with the USB cable, and on your phone, a charging this device via USB notification will appear. Simply tap on it and see more options and select webcam. Now, your phone will automatically be recognized as a webcam. Open your video conferencing or streaming app to select your phone from the list of available cameras. However, if you are using a version that is less than 14, then you can use a third-party app like Droidcam from your Play Store. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.